Buddha's bowl always provides, will you look at these grounds, how gorgeous. A stunning property. Now this is the actual property we were heading to, but we were going to stop first maybe in Marissa or Matara, but everything is shut, everything is shut. So we came a day early, and they said, no problem, we can put you up, it's not an issue at all. So a huge thank you to Naomi, who owns this place, and the family that look after it. What a gorgeous, gorgeous setting. Now also, they have a restaurant right, okay, if you look at this beautiful drive. Just down on the front is, across here is the beach, and they have a restaurant here as well. So that's quite exciting. We'll explore that. We're going to have a look at that tomorrow. In the meantime, I believe we're going to get a little bit of a welcome drink. Look at this place, it's gorgeous. Let's just come through into the garden. And they even have a beautiful pool here. I love the colors, the color scheme, the blue and the white. It feels local, a little colonial maybe, but local. It's got a real feel of luxury, and it has all the grounds here, which gives it a feel. There's a lot of acreage here. It just feels like the gardens are perfect. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Look, a welcome drink. Mango, yes? Oh, beautiful. I love mangoes. Matches my shirt. Look, I got a welcome drink to match my shirt. I haven't even got to the room yet, but I can feel this is my sort of accommodation. Oh, beautiful. And the power has just come back on as well, as if to welcome us. Did you see the light? I don't know if you saw it in the background, but they've had power cuts up and down the country. We've just arrived. Power is on.
Honey, 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 honey.
Just in time. The rain has started to fall. So before we make a mess of it, here is our room. It's absolutely gorgeous. The beds, the colors, perfect. There's air conditioning and a ceiling fan. Big vaulted ceilings. And out here is a rather cool, an open bathroom. So I can actually have a shower in the shower. I was thinking of sitting out here, Michelle. This is nice. Got a little sitting area outside. Michelle is getting a picture of our tuk-tuk. Whereas I'm going to relax and chill. It's been a long drive. We had trouble getting fuel today. We had trouble getting fuel for our bodies today because everything is shut. So we're gonna just relax. Okay. Breakfast this morning in Handun Villas. Oh, I think we're gonna steam up. We come from the cold bedroom out into this beautiful, it's a beautiful property, this. Excuse me, let me de-steam you. This is real colonial driveway coming down. There's palm trees. Hundreds of palm trees. Breakfast has started. Beautiful. Okay, this is Chef Shara. He's done breakfast. We're going to be actually cooking with Shara later today, so I'll be doing another little episode. He's going to show me how to prepare some of this food. Really got to say a big thank you to Handun Villas for saving our skins a little bit, because it was difficult finding a place. There's a curfew at the moment, if you didn't know. In Sri Lanka, by the time this video goes up, it'll be a week or 10 days. We were struggling to find a place, and even though it was short notice, Naomi put us up here. This beautiful Handun Villas. It's a little bit past Matara. I'll put the details in this video below. So if anyone wants to get hold of this place, sort of lovely pool, air-conditioned rooms, beautiful grounds, and lovely staff. And we've woken this morning to as requested, they did ask if we wanted European or Sri Lankan breakfast. Both Michelle and I wanted a Sri Lankan breakfast, so we've got it gorgeous. This is the milk rice, which is very traditional, mixed with some spices. There's a dal here. This is a chicken curry.
They asked if you wanted chicken or fish. We went for chicken this morning.
Could have had chicken or fish. It's so well presented, even the little flower tomato. These are, I never know whether to say tomato or tomato. I've got so used to filming in the US also. These are gorgeous little, well, I'm saying they're gorgeous, haven't tried them yet, but I can see they're going to be gorgeous little coconut rotis. And there's some sambal, there's a coconut sambal here. And I think this is maybe a little tomato chutney. We've also got fresh coffee. Oh, and I almost forgot, fresh fruit juice also. They also do a fully European or American style breakfast, whatever you want really. Now, if you've never had it before, this milk rice is delicious. So if you take the milk rice, a little bit of dal, a little bit of that spicy coconut sambal. That is so good. And of course, no Sri Lankan breakfast is complete without some roti. These are a little round coconut roti. I'm in heaven. Every now and again you find a gem of a hotel. It's almost like an old colonial building. It's got a beautiful long sweeping driveway that comes in full of coconut trees and palms. And I actually did a little cooking with the chef just here by the poolside. So that video, I'm not sure if that'll be in this video, probably we'll do a separate little video for that, but it was a lot of fun. Chef Ishara, I hope I've got his name right, was showing me how they make a local prawn curry. And we also made my favorite coconut sambal. So those sort of recipes are the ones that we try to learn and not fully understand. Now, the shrimp curry is actually a local delicacy that's made with no oil or with water. Really fascinating. You'll have to check out the recipe. Really delicious. And by not using oil, the cooking method is super quick. The whole thing is up and prepared within about 10 minutes. Very similar to Thai cooking. Fast, flash cooking, delicious flavors. Anyway, I won't keep going on about that because you can see it in the video. Take a look at this place. Let's just go through. We're just down for breakfast. Oh, Michelle, good morning.
Good morning.
What have we got? Looks like a
Smoothie, I think.
Smoothie. So this is where we have our breakfast. Our room is a beautiful little villa just here. You can see the tuk-tuk parked outside. But take a look at the property. This is the entrance. As I said, it's got a lovely colonial feel. I love the blue accents on the wood. And the drive here, as you enter, the beach is just the other side of this road, but look at the driveway. The grounds. I'd love to live in a place like this. So I think they've got mango trees. Yeah, I see mango trees. Actually, I'm under a mango tree. They have jackfruit. Let me show you the jackfruit. Hello. We've got a local doggy here. Hello. It's a great place for those sort of Instagram moments. There's this big swing here. And already today, we've had some wedding guests come to get some photographs. Look at the size of the jackfruit up there. Hopefully you can see there's a huge one hanging on the side of that limb there and several up at the top. Jackfruit makes really good Sri Lankan curry. Handun Villas. If you're down in Matara, it's just a few kilometers past Matara, right on the beachfront. And in the daytime, we get monkeys playing around and climbing in the trees. A beautiful little monkey with a sort of cool little fringe. these guys to play. They're just here. Our villa is just here. I'm not sure what variety of monkeys these are. Okay, I could sit and watch them play all day. But I've got a video to edit for you. So back to work. It's a curfew day, so I thought I'd take you and show you exactly the effect the curfew is having on a very busy city like Matara. Hi and a huge welcome. Today I'm with Chef Ishara at Handun Villas, just about 15 kilometers past Matara. Today we're going to be cooking, what are we cooking, Chef?